Hi, I am Ajmal, currently doing MSc Nursing at JIPMER. So this is a learning platform called Thinker. In order to learn the things interestingly and creatively, especially the nursing syllabus, and to crack the entrance examinations. Okay, so let's get started. So in this video, we'll discuss one topic and one question within 5 minutes. Okay, so we can go to the respiratory system and we can see the first question. So I'll just read the question, just listen. The emergency department nurse is assessing a client who has a sustained blunt injury to the chest wall. Which finding indicates the presence of a pneumothorax in this client? So here the question is the signs of pneumothorax. So the options are a low respiratory rate, diminished breath sounds, presence of a barrel chest, and a sucking sound at the site of injury. So before we discuss the first question, we have to know what is pneumothorax. So pneumo means air and thorax means our chest cavity. So pneumothorax means we know that we have a covering of the lung that is known as pleura, and it is like our lung is, you imagine like our lung is inside in a balloon. So what will happen, like if the lung is having any leak, means our air will be trapped inside that balloon, so which will result in an increased intrathoracic pressure and which will reduce the vital capacity. So it is like a trapped air in our chest cavity. Okay, so now we have to see that what are the signs and symptoms or the assessment findings. So mainly there will be pleuritic pain will be there, tachypnea, that is increased breath rate will be there, and also there will be a decreased expansion of chest will be there. The expansion will be decreased because the one side lung will be affected, so the expansion will be less. Also the breath sounds will be diminished because the flow of the breath in and out of the flow of the breath will be diminished. So there will be absence of breath sound or there will be diminished breath sound. So these are the main signs and symptoms of pneumothorax. So we have already discussed what is pneumothorax. Hope you understand something. And now we can see the question part. Okay, so the question I'll just repeat once again. The emergency department nurse is assessing a client who has a sustained blunt injury. So blunt injury means it is a closed injury. It's not an open, it is a closed injury. Okay, to the chest wall. Which finding indicates the presence of a pneumothorax in the client? So we have to see the signs and symptoms of the pneumothorax in this question. So the first option is a low respiratory rate, and we have already told that the client is having this pneumothorax will be having a tachypnea, high respiratory rate. So that is wrong. Then second option is a diminished breath sounds. So we can see what is it. And third option is a presence of barrel chest. So barrel chest will be like the chest wall will be like a barrel, so which is mainly a symptom or a sign of like COPD. And also the fourth option is a sucking sound at the site of injury. So mainly the sucking sound will happen only in the case of an open chest injury. Okay, so now we are discussing a blunt injury, which is a closed injury, and also we have to relate the signs of pneumothorax. So which is the correct option is the second one, that is a diminished breath sounds. So which will be like the in and out flow of the air won't be there, so there will be a diminished breath sound. So the answer 2 is the answer, a diminished breath sound. Okay, so we have discussed something related to pneumothorax. I hope you understand something. So please subscribe to my channel and please hit the bell icon. So thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.